Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, view and test. Today I have this 9-in-1 air fryer from Silvercrest. Combines the features of an air fryer, a grill and a dehydrator. Cooking time from 1 to 60 minutes, 40 degrees to 200 degrees Celsius, easy to use touch screen display, includes recipe booklet, 1 meter the length of the cable, 1800 watts the power consumption, with a hot air technology, healthy, delicious and fast. Fries with little to no oil or fat. And you can use it for reheating, baking, roasting, rotisserie cooking, dehydrating, deep frying, regular cooking, grilling and toasting. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. Cable management for storage, 1 meter cable. We have the air outlet here. I like the design. We have a viewing window at the front. All the unit it is plastic. The handle silver. You can open, and inside we have all the accessories. I like it. Here we can see the heating element. Included we have the manual, if you want to read it your choice, with recipes. Now let's see one by one what accessories we have at the box. The rotary basket, suitable for relatively small items like chips, vegetable pieces, wedges, sweet potato chips. Open that and insert the ingredients. And lock it. We have the handle for gripping the rotisserie skewer and rotary basket. The tray, Grace collection tray. We have one shelf flat and another two deep. You can use it for drying fruits, frozen pizza, fish fingers, poultry pieces, chips and more. We have 8 kebab skewers. The 2 holding discs for kebab skewers. the rotisserie skewer, for holding discs, there it is, and the chicken skewers, both if you want to use a whole chicken and not only for the kebab. You can use these two together with this one. So in my case I will use it for the chicken. Both they have screws, you can adjust further in or further out. And here we have screws. And then you can install these ones here. And that it will rotate. Nice. So that is all the accessories. Let's plug it in. And I would like to see the display. All the controls for the cooking process you can manage from this huge display. Nice, so let's see one by one the control. We have the on-off button, press and hold to switch off the unit. Press once to turn on the unit. Start, pause and standby button. And one of the modes, starting with a chip mode, 200 degrees Celsius. You can adjust less or more. Press and hold, it will go faster. From 80 degrees Celsius maximum to 200 degrees Celsius. Press this button to adjust the minutes. Maximum 60 minutes or less. From 1 minute. Muffins mode, same in here. This is the default settings, 18 minutes and 160 degrees Celsius. And of course you can adjust all that. Press the button and it will start. And stop. Pizza mode, same in here. 15 minutes 180 degrees Celsius and you can adjust both. Drying mode, 65 degrees Celsius. And here you can adjust from 1 hour to 24 hours. Maximum 80 degrees Celsius and the minimum 40 degrees Celsius. Preheating mode, and here you can adjust the minutes again and the degrees Celsius. Maximum 60 minutes and 200 degrees Celsius. Bacon mode, same in here, adjust the minutes and the degrees Celsius. Steak, 15 minutes 180 degrees Celsius, you can adjust again. Chicken, roast mode, 25 minutes 180 degrees Celsius, and you can adjust the minute and the Celsius, the temperature. Fish mode, same in here. This is the default settings, you can adjust again. Poultry pieces mode, 15 minutes and 200 degrees Celsius. Prawns mode, adjust again, both. Turn on the light inside to check your food, turn off the light. 180 degrees Celsius for the chicken. You can start. switching rotary function on and off for rotary basket or rotisserie skewer. The symbol flashes when the rotary function is switched on and off. That is all the modes and the buttons you can use to adjust the cooking process. So let's move on. Cook something. And of course, when it's working, opening, it will pause and resume. The tray, chicken is ready. Let's see how that will go. First insert from the left and then other right. Maximum you can cook 1.5 kilogram. This chicken it is 1.7 kilogram. So let's see how that it will work. And we need 200 degrees Celsius for 50 minutes. Turns off automatically when cooking is complete for safety and energy efficiency. And it's finished! It's a multifunctional kitchen appliance designed for healthier cooking with minimal oil. Its versatility and user-friendly features makes it ideal for a variety of cooking methods, including frying, baking, grilling, roast, dehydrate, reheat, defrost, keep warm and more. Okay. Non-stick frying basket and tray are dishwasher safe for quick cleanup. And here at the base we have the handle to moving around. Now let's see, is it well done? Crispy, like that. So I had to cut two parts from the chicken because it was too big. 1.5 kilogram you need to have a chicken maximum. If you found in the market 1.5 kilogram, good luck. Designed to save counter space while accommodating large portions. Requires little to no oil, allowing for healthier meal with up to 80% less fat compared to traditional frying. Ensures even cooking with crispy exteriors and tender interiors. So I think it's cooked very well. I like it, I like the results. Perfect. Fries at the rotary basket, maximum 350 grams. Intuitive interface with preset programs for hassle-free cooking. 200 degrees Celsius, 18 minutes. This is a practical and efficient kitchen gadget for anyone looking to enjoy healthier, delicious meals with ease. Its combination of versatile cooking modes and straightforward operation makes it a valuable addition to any kitchen. And it's finished. Oh, it's hot. See? Nice. I like it. Maybe a little bit crispy. So another 2 minutes, 20 minutes. And now I will use these two shelves. One here and another one here. Fries again. "21 minutes. And finish. Nice and crispy. Squid rings in butter, frozen. Alaska pollock fillet, edam and herbs, frozen. Together. Fish, 190 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes, and then I will check the cooking process. And that's the Silvercrest 9-in-1 air fryer. Whether you are frying, roasting, baking or grilling, this versatile appliance does it all with less oil and less hassle. With its user-friendly design, multiple cooking modes and healthy cooking capabilities, it's a game changer for your kitchen. I think it cooked very well. Nice! If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more in-depth appliance reviews, recipe ideas and cooking tips. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay healthy, stay creative, and I'll see you in the next video.